In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through an amazing setup, how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. In today's digital world, online security and privacy are more important than ever. While many VPNs promise top-notch protection, not all deliver the flexibility and performance users need. That's where Dark Tunnel VPN shines. It allows you to customize your own settings for enhanced privacy and faster speeds. So in this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create your own V2Ray VMess server using the UDP custom website and configure it perfectly on Dark Tunnel VPN. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay updated on our latest VPN tips and hidden tricks. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, look for the official UDP Custom website and click on it. Once you're on the home page, locate the menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger icon, found in the top corner of the screen. Click on it to reveal more options. Next, go to the Create V2Ray VMess Server section. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, enter your preferred username, solve the CAPTCHA to confirm you're human, and click Create Now. In just a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will be created successfully. All the server details, including the host, port, and UUID, will appear right on your screen. Keep these details safe because we'll use them in the next step. Now open your Dark Tunnel VPN app. On the home screen, tap the 3 dots at the top right corner to expand the menu. Select Config File, then tap Import, and choose Clipboard to paste your V2Ray server data. Once your configuration has been imported successfully, go back to the main screen and hit the Connect button. Within just a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will be connected, ensuring a secure, encrypted, and high-speed internet experience. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for ultimate online privacy and performance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who want better VPN protection. For more VPN updates, hidden tricks, and useful guides, visit our official blog. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.